The roar of a twin-turbo engine shatters the silence as a flash of red streaks by. This is no ordinary car. This is the legendary Toyota Supra MK4. Since its debut on the 24th August 1993, the Supra MK4 has captured the hearts of drivers across the world with its iconic styling and exhilarating performance. Under the hood sits an inline six-cylinder engine that packs over 300 horsepower in turbocharged models, sending power to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. The Supra handles like it's on rails, hugging corners with precision thanks to its balanced 50 out of 50 weight distribution. Inside is a driver-focused cockpit made for performance driving. For over 25 years, the Supra MK4 has maintained its status as an automotive icon thanks to its timeless design and pure driving experience. The roar of its turbo engine is a siren song for speed lovers. The Mark IV Supra. It remains the most powerful road car Toyota has ever put into mass production. Its comprehensively over-engineered 2JZ GTE 3.0-liter straight-six engine has proved to be capable of producing well over 1,000 bhp. Even the 3.6-liter Porsche 911 Turbo could not beat it. The turbocharged variant had a 0-60 mph time of around 4.6 seconds, with a tested top speed of 160 mph. The car was then finally axed in July 2002 because it was deemed too expensive to meet forthcoming exhaust emission targets. This is more than a car, it's an automotive work of art, the legendary Toyota Supra MK4.